Hi, I'm Jim Bell, Valley Water Board member for District 4. This is the same district where the largest public art project ever undertaken by Valley Water is now displayed on Blossom Hill Road. Now, the effort to turn the side of our annex building into a beautiful mural was quite an endeavor, and we couldn't have done it without the help of so many.
As part of our renewed Safe Clean Water program, the Pilot Mural Project is part of our public art program, which is designed to help us integrate art into our communities to help deter trash and litter from our facilities, our public spaces, and our watersheds.
Because it basically depicts our mission statement, water supply and the environmental justice, and then our employees, they need to get the credit they deserve because they work 7/24, serving the public.
The Youth Commission took the initiative and then got it into implementation. I thought it's wonderful, and then I should be part of the process from starting to completion.
So our amazing artist, Paul Gonzalez, he actually drafted the sketch along with the Public Arts Working Group of the Youth Commission. And once the sketch was drafted, we were able to present our opinion on the sketch, any design elements we wanted to be added, and truly vote on what we thought was the best sketch and what would best fit the outlook of this building and how it would present itself to the rest of the community. So we were involved in finalizing the sketch and, of course, painting it, as you can see right here.
He kind of broke it down into kind of, someone said, a paint by numbers design. So yeah, it was easy. He gave us our paint here, and this is purple, this is lavender, and we just got to it. So he was cool. He definitely has some vision here.
Hey everybody, this is it, our finished product for the Valley Water. This is our mural project. This is their first mural project. So glad to be part of this. It was an awesome project. We worked with the Valley Water Youth Commission, worked with Valley Water Management and the Valley Water Board to get this happen, to hear all the different ideas that was going to represent the first mural of Valley Water, which the public was going to see, and here it is. And it is just awesome. The magnitude of this mural is just immense, and I'm glad to be part of it.
To me, the mural showcases a culmination of the effort that the environmental stewards and local activists of our county have put into protecting our environment, and also presents itself as a reminder of how we must never fail in our environmental stewardship.
I am so happy with the way it turned out. Valley Water has a proud history of serving the people of Santa Clara County. This mural perfectly depicts the diversity of who we are and the essential work that we do. Provide safe, clean water. I mean, look at this!